Assalamualaikum. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core, October-November 2020, Variant 1-3, Part 2. (12a). A cuboid has length 5 cm, width 4 cm and height 3 cm. On the grid, complete the net of the cuboid. One face has been drawn for you. A cuboid has 6 faces. Let's just write down. We know that the height is 3 cm, length is 5 cm and width is 4 cm. So we have total 6 faces. You should have 2 faces of each. So 2 length times width, 2 length times height, and 2 height times width. We have been given the length and the width. Now to draw the height, we will take 3 here and 3 here. How many faces we have now? We got total 3 faces. We need 3 more faces. If you have 3 this side, even this should be 3. Both the sides measurement should be the same. And then it gives us 4. The same we will draw here. We have 5 faces. Now if you are confused what is missing, then look at the dimensions. Length times width is 5 times 4. We got only one face of that, so that one is remaining. After this, draw here 4 and 5. Total 6 faces are over. In part B, we have to find the volume of the cuboid. Very easy. To find the volume, we need to know the formula only, which is length times width times height. Length is 5, width is 4, and height is 3. So the answer is 60 cubic centimeter. Question number 13. We have been given 2 shapes, a parallelogram and a trapezium. The area of the parallelogram is the same as the area of the trapezium. Work out the value of x. For this, you need to know the formula for both the area of the parallelogram and the area of the trapezium. Area of the parallelogram can be found by height times base. Our height is 6 cm and base is 12 cm. So this will give us 72 square centimeter. To find the area of the trapezium, we use the formula A is equal to half A plus B H. Here our A and B are our parallel side and H, as you know, is the height. And as the area of the parallelogram and the trapezium is the same, we replace our area with 72. A is 7 and B is 11 and height is x. Let's write x instead of h. Put this whole thing in the calculator. We will get 9. When we shift the 9 to the other side, as it is a multiply, it will turn into divide. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. So the value of x is 8. Question number 14. The length L centimeter of a line is 18.3 centimeter. Correct to the nearest millimeter. Complete the statement about the value of L. We have 18.3. Think of it as, there are 2 ways you can work it. If it is 1 decimal place, you always add 0.5 and you always subtract 0.5. When you subtract 0.5, you are going to get 18.25. When you add 0.5, you are going to get 18.35. So this is your answer. The other way is, one second, we can write as, remove the decimal. Think of it as 183 and you add a 0. And then you add 5. So when you add 5, you are going to get 1835. The decimal you don't change. It was before, it was after two numbers, so you leave it that way. And then you subtract 5, you will get 1825, and then you replace the decimal. In this question, we have to write each number correct to one significant figure, estimating the value. So 37.8, we have to round it to one significant figure, that is to the 10th place. Look at the number after the place you want to round. If it is 5 or more than 5, you add 1 to it. So that will give us 40. And then 13, if you round it, it will become 10. 28, if you round, we will have to add 1 to the 2 number. That will be 3, so 0, 30. And 22 will give us 20. Now this, the whole thing you put in the calculator, or you can show extra steps if you want. The answer is 8. Some students make a mistake that if they're rounding to the first number, they do this correctly, that they have to add 1 here, so it becomes 4. And then they leave it at 4. You cannot change the place value. The place value is of 10, so you have to remember to add the 0. Next, we have a bag contains 7 red discs, 5 green discs, and 2 pink discs. Helen takes one disc at random, records the color, and replaces it in the bag. She does this 140 times. Find how many times she expects to take a green disc. A very easy question. We are looking at green disc. How many green discs do we have? 5. Total, how many do we have? We have 7 red, 5 green, plus 2 pink. This will give us 5 over 14. And she does this 140 times. So multiply by 140. And the answer we will get is 50. Question number 17, expand the brackets and simplify. So 4 multiplied by 2m will give us 8m. 4 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. Remember to put the negative in the calculator when you're multiplying. Negative 5 multiplied by m. So it's like negative 5 multiplied by 1, which will give us negative 5m. Same here, negative 5 multiplied by negative 2 will give us plus 10. Add the like terms together, 8m minus 5m. You have to use the sign which is before also. This will give us 3m. And next, 12 plus 10, which will give us 22. So this is our answer. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For question number 18 onwards, please watch part 3. Thank you for watching.